Thinking about dipping your toes into the world of investing but not sure where to start? Have you heard of robo-advisors but can't tell the difference between Acorns and Betterment? You're not alone. In a world full of apps and platforms, finding the right one can feel like a full-time job. Today, we're cutting through the noise to help you decide on the best robo-advisor for you. Let's start with a tale of two philosophies. Acorns is all about micro-investing. It's built for the beginner, the student, the person who thinks they don't have enough money to invest. Its most famous feature is roundups, which automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns rounds it up to $4 and puts that 50 cents into your portfolio. It's a brilliantly simple way to start. Now, Betterment takes a slightly different approach. While it also has a $0 minimum to open an account, it's designed for more serious goal-based investing. Betterment wants to know what you're saving for: a down payment, a new car, or retirement. Then, it tailors a portfolio specifically for that goal. It's about a bigger, more hands-on picture, even though the day-to-day is still automated. So, what about the money side of things? Acorns uses a flat fee model. It's a monthly subscription, starting at just a few dollars a month. This can be great for larger portfolios, but for a very small account, say a few $100s, that monthly fee can feel pretty steep. It's a higher percentage of your total assets. Betterment, on the other hand, charges a percentage of the money you have invested. Their standard plan is 0.25% annually. So, if you have $10,000 invested, you're paying about $25 a year. As your money grows, the dollar amount you pay increases, but the percentage stays low. For larger portfolios, this often beats Acorns' flat fee. But for smaller accounts, Betterment's percentage might be a better deal, at least until you have a few $1,000s. Betterment also offers more advanced features. They have something called tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax bill by automatically selling losing investments to offset gains. This can be a huge benefit for investors with taxable accounts. Acorns does not offer this. Betterment also has access to human financial advisors for an additional cost, which is a big plus for people who want a little more guidance. Acorns offers educational content and Q&A sessions, but not the same level of personalized advice. At the end of the day, the best robo-advisor depends on you. If you're just starting out, want to effortlessly invest spare change, and are more concerned with building the habit than the most advanced features, Acorns is a perfect fit. If you're ready for goal-oriented saving, want a more robust set of tools like tax loss harvesting, and are building a larger portfolio, Betterment is likely the better choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.